Oh, hello there. Welcome. Welcome to Minecraft Story Mode. What's up, guys? I think we're live. Are we live? Are we live? I'm gonna have to perform a few tests as always, and I'll be right back. Oh, the quality's just perfect. I'm just gonna make myself a glass of wine. I'm gonna tweet all this stuff on social media, and I'll be right back. Be patient, my sons. Okay, I'm back. Was I away for long? I wasn't. That's good. What's up, Barry? What's up, 1K hype? What? I'm reaching 1K. Tell me you've turned on low latency. I turned on something. Hang on. Let me see. Settings. I want to see if it's the right thing that I pressed. Well, you can tell me if I turned on latency. There was something here that says... Well, I forgot what it says. Oh, hang on. I'm talking out loud. Hang on. Me yelling at the other computer. Okay, where was I? There was something I turned on. I don't know what it was. Advanced, and there was something that says automatic low latency mode. I don't know what that was, but I turned it on. I don't know. Look, it's Joe's box. Lamau, I thought you were American, and you turned me on. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something about juice box. Yes, juice box. What do you mean? You thought I was American. You heard my accent and then you were like, he's not American. I'm gonna pour myself a drink now. I got the bottle with me here, right next to me, so I don't have to get up all the time. Okay, and we're gonna play some Minecraft story mode. Welcome, Juice. I think it's your first time. I'm not so sure. I don't know if I'm mistaken or not, but I think it's your first time here. Come in. Entry. Please, entry. Okay. We're gonna play some Minecraft story mode. And this one features a bunch of YouTubers that I don't know. Except for Captain Sparkles. I know who Captain Sparkles is. Captain Sparkles. Not now, I'm busy. But Vloggy, weren't you playing Ghostbusters? Now why are you playing story mode? Because I feel like it. I'm still gonna finish Ghostbusters. Don't worry. Still gonna finish it. But Ken, how come you're playing episode 6 and you still never finished episode 5? Look at this. Episode 6. But I still haven't even downloaded episode 5. I'm halfway through 4. Oh. So yeah, I'm playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And then I'll play 5 again. Because I say so. I won't be commentating as much, I think, on this one. Because, you know, these Telltale games, they're mostly story. And as far as I go, I'll just tap buttons and choose what they say next. And quick time events, so yeah. Let's go. Unfinished episode. Are you sure you want to start this episode? Choice will be generated for unfinished episodes. Oops. You know what that means? That means the game's gonna make decisions for me for the episodes that I haven't played. Oh man. Whatever, man. Generate choices. Whatever, man.
Previous Minecraft story mode.
Settings. Subtitles are on, so how come there was no subtitles? What do you think of my stream? Well, it was lame. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Yeah, I like it. It's a very high quality stream. I liked it. But I'm not a fan of Dying Light. But I stuck around because it's you. You know how it is. Yeah, and what was I gonna say? I was a bit intimidated by the big berry on the side. It was kind of big. This is Emily's here. Juice is everywhere. Juice, he is everywhere. It's true. Juice is everywhere. He scares me. Sometimes I look under my bed and he's there. I'm like, what? Oh my goodness. Okay. It wasn't lame. No, it wasn't. Your thumbnail was awesome. Everybody was telling you the thumbnail was fantastic. I loved your thumbnail. But anyway, let's keep playing. Enough about your streams. Okay. Subtitles are on. Okay.
That enchantment is the work of a very old group of builders. A group so old that they existed even before the Order of the Stone.
Hello to you too, Bare Bones.
Okay, guys, I'm seeing grass, forest, lots of ground in all directions. All good signs so far.
Verdict says, definitely not our world. You owe me 2 iron, Lucas. Hey,
Okay.
Sounds like an adventure.
Told you it was a dumb bet.
Oh, come on, can't you hear it?
spooky forest?
It's the sound of a new adventure. I bet this place is gonna be awesome.
I hope you're right. I'm just worried about Axel and Olivia.
What? Why?
Well, if they followed us back to that old builder temple and went through the portal...
They would arrive in Sky City to find it overflowing with monsters.
Yeah.
At least we already built them the bridge.
That is more than we started
Yeah.
with.
Oh man, I hadn't thought about that. If they followed us, they could be in trouble.
Hey, maybe next time we're in the portal hall we can leave a sign or something. Tell them which one we're going through.
I like that idea.
Well, I for one vote that we not be so hasty to try and get out of here. Who knows what sorts of treasures this new world could hold? Besides, unless the next portal is disguised as a tombstone, I'm not seeing it anywhere near here.
You guys see some sort of shape over there?
Yeah. What is that?
Let's find out.
The only thing I hate about these games, streaming these games and recording them and whatever, is that they don't give me space to talk. I want to talk, I want to ramble. You see, so these moments where I can walk, I can actually talk. Because as soon as I get there, I'm not going to be able to talk anymore. Let's look at chat real quick. Let's see. So Bare Bones is acting like he doesn't like Minecraft, but I know you do. Stop acting cool. I know you think you're cool because you pretend that you don't like Minecraft. Minecraft is awesome. You know it is.
It says invitation. And then read immediately, your life depends on it. Greetings, traveler.
Yep, that seems about right.
Keep reading, Jesse. We've got your back.
I humbly invite you to my mansion for an evening of food and festivity with your fellow adventurers.
That's odd.
Yeah, weird, right? Whoa! Ouch!
Toss it here!
What do I do? What do I do?
Petra, any time now? You can read, right?
Hang on! Need to find Jesse's place. Got it! Come to my home on the hill. Just follow the path. Please look out for zombies. Sincerely, the host.
Nice warning.
Come on, there's the path.
I must say, this is the highest concentration of zombies I've ever seen in one place.
Probably because you never played Resident Evil
You think
6.
this host is gonna be legit, Jesse? I just asked because this place
It's a
hasn't
trap.
exactly been friendly so far.
Hey, the invitation was classy, though.
I'm suspicious too, Lucas. This has trap written all over it. Unfortunately, with all these zombies everywhere, we can't exactly stick around out here.
I'm going to go out on a limb and say that's the place we're looking for.
Race you guys there.
Oh yeah, I
We
don't
need to
drink
stick
so
together.
much anymore. Bad knees.
Hey, just try not to die, okay? I'm trying to keep everyone together here.
Sure, that's fine. But you gotta catch me first.
Yes, Barry, you are lame. You are lame and you stream lame games, says the guy streaming Minecraft story mode. It's sweet. It's cute. It's a fun, family-friendly game. Oh! I put the controller down. I put the controller down. Drew just retweeted my stream. Thank you so much. There he is. Hello, Drew.
You hear that too, right? Almost sounds like a waterfall! Not to worry. I've
Good
got
thing
you.
you did, because I failed to climb. I'm enjoying this.
Execute maneuver 66. Stairs.
That's awesome. Hello, Nini.
Woo! Nailed it.
Okay. You won that one, Jesse.
Let's maybe get inside the mansion before
I
we
love
pat
your
ourselves
username,
on the back
Nini.
too much, shall we?
Welcome to the stream. Sorry being quiet, but I enjoy listening to the dialogues of this game.
That front door's definitely a no-go.
Stick with me, guys.
This is how I dodge Minecraft. Zombies in Minecraft. In real Minecraft.
The heck?
What? What'd you see? You just gasped.
Creepy guy in the window.
Like you'd seen something.
No. Who he was? Some creepy guy in the window. He had a white pumpkin for a head.
White pumpkin? No such thing as white pumpkin.
The guy voicing the guy in the beard,
Cultural discussions for
I
inside,
forgot his name,
okay?
is actually Pee Wee Herman.
Great! There's no door back here. How are we supposed to get in?
Oh man, I need to think fast. What do I do? Over there.
Nope. Can't go back that way.
There.
There. We should be able to build up and break in through there. Trees. We can cut those down.
Good plan.
Now my inventory is full of wood blocks.
Hey, you never know when those will come in handy. Looks like some kind of kitchen in there.
Then break the window and get us into the blasted place!
Yes, it is. Yes, it is, Pee Wee Herman. I'm sorry, I'm barely looking at chat. I'm just... Because I put the controller down to take a sip of wine or to look at chat, and I have to press something in QuickTime mode or something. Yes, the weird guy is Pee Wee Herman. Let's see, what did I miss? What did I miss? Nothing, I didn't miss anything. It's not a trailer. Can you imagine if I was playing a trailer? Anyway, punch.
Hope the host doesn't mind us breaking their window.
I'm sure he'll find it in his heart to forgive us.
I'm sorry, but if they were able to climb those stairs, even the zombies can climb the stairs. But anyway.
Wow, some kitchen.
Hot dog, you know I don't care if you took it. Just give it back.
I'm telling you for the last time, Sparkles, I didn't take the stupid thing.
I think we could avoid a lot of unpleasantness.
What the?
It's Captain Sparkles.
Oh, ha ha ha. Very, very funny. Show up super late, make us all sit and wonder what the heck is going on. And this is your house, right? Because if it is, we've all been waiting for like hours. It's rude.
Now easy, Torque Dog.
We got one of these invitations too. What the heck is going on here?
Darn. Sorry for the language. That wasn't about you getting an invitation. Just that I was hoping you could explain things. This is Torque Dog.
Sup?
And I'm Captain Sparkles. Though, maybe you know that already. Captain Sparkles, I've got like 9 million fans.
Weird name. I'm gonna
Captain
say he's got a
Sparkles?
weird name.
Are you saying that with a Z?
Petra! Show some respect! The man's a captain.
Those are your names? Like, your real names?
Yes?
Huh, weird. Well, anyway, I'm Jesse, that's Petra, Ivor, and Lucas.
Charmed.
Jesse? That's a girl's name. What are you guys anyway? Some sort of loser patrol?
Torque Dog.
Oh, come on. That was hilarious.
Actually, we're the Order of the Stone. Legendary heroes. Kind of a big deal.
Legendary heroes? I ain't never heard of you.
Torque Dog, cool it.
That sea of zombies has us all trapped, so we just need to try our best to get along.
Worst day ever.
Just try and look on the bright side.
Wait, how many more people are in this place?
Counting us, 7?
Most of them useless. I tell you what, the minute all them weird zombies are gone, Torque Dog is out of here.
Okay.
Is
so
Torque Dog a
seeing
real
zombies
YouTuber?
isn't normal.
I don't know.
Good to hear.
2 moons is normal though, right?
The moons. Yeah.
Why don't you know about this stuff? You from like out of town or something?
Did you hear that?
Something touched my foot! Who touched my
I
foot?
think it stopped.
What's up with the lights?
Is everyone okay?
Hey, Jesse. Jesse, come here. You've got a girl's name.
I want that to be my last words. Oh my goodness, that's awesome.
Torque Dog?
Torque Dog? So I'm guessing calling dibs on his inventory would be...
Ivor.
That poor guy. That's so awful.
Yeah, he, seemed like a little bit of a jerk. But that's still a nasty way to go.
All those arrows, his inventory, everywhere. How did that? Who? 1 minute he's alive, the next gone. Poof.
Sparkles, I know you're freaking out right now, but you've got to pull yourself together.
Okay. You're right. Whew. You're right.
Everyone stand back. Let me see what I can figure out.
This is why.
Now, before I figure out
happening?
stuff, let me just... No, they have the
Who
rights,
would
Drew.
do this?
They got the rights by Mojang and everything. No. They got the rights. But I think that they put some YouTubers to voice some some Minecraft YouTubers
Thing
in,
is getting creepier
so
by
that they
the
can
minute.
pull a bigger audience, especially the kids, I think. There's a bunch of YouTubers that I don't know, except for Captain Sparkles, really. And the plot of this, episode, they're all in a mansion. Oh my goodness. Oops, I was supposed to do something. Alright, hang on. I put the controller down again. He respawned in a better place. Yes, he respawned back to his bed. What was I gonna say? You keep this. Oh my goodness, I have to make decisions, but.
Everyone, I've just noticed something very peculiar. Look! Smells like... Yes. Potion of poison?
Oh, is it a tipped arrow? Oh, I've heard of those. They're still pretty new. Oh, nasty stuff.
Using potions to make arrows. The possibilities are fascinating.
Would you stop pointing that thing all over the place? You're making me nervous.
Any idea how to make these, Captain?
Not really my forte. Sorry. Could have sworn I saw someone doing a tutorial on how to make those not too long ago. My nerves are too shot to remember who right now.
Well, let me know if it comes back to you.
Alright, can I put the controller down, or is it gonna time out or something? Let's.
There's the trapdoor that sucked up toward...
Hey, cat! Cat
Match
X!
set with that arrow dispenser up there.
But you saw his stuff. He didn't really have anything worth stealing.
Perhaps it was simply to dispose of the evidence.
Hello? Everything okay in here? Whoa! What's with the crowd?
I was just about to get everyone together to tell them at once.
Okay. Hang on a minute. It's you! I recognize you.
Excuse me?
Yes. What?
Recognize us? How?
I'll show you. Follow me.
Okay.
Okay, Barry, thanks for dropping by. Thank you so much.
Hi.
See ya.
Did you see all these new... Oh, you've got them with you.
Bill you later.
Well, first it was the portraits of the people already here, then poof. You guys.
Whoa, that's unexpected.
Yeah, no kidding.
They're absolutely exquisite. Perfect.
Well, not perfect.
Absolutely perfect.
Must have been when we showed up.
Somebody's up to something. I don't know what yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. Well, that's definitely not a good sign.
Come on, everyone. Let's huddle up in the dining room.
Wonder if he told them yet.
Can't wait to hear the big news.
Me neither.
Ooh, I hope there's cake.
Guess not.
Come on, let's do this.
Come on, Winslow.
This game is just like one big cutscene.
Here, let me introduce you all properly. You guys already met Cassie Rose and LD Shadow Lady.
But my friends call me Lizzie.
This is Stacy Plays, Stampy Cat, and that's Dan, the Diamond Minecart.
When did your hair change color? Wasn't it?
It's funny. Before you guys showed up, we all knew each other.
Those are all YouTubers.
They're the Order of the Stone. Jesse, Petra, Lucas, and Ivor. Apparently, they're famous heroes where they come from.
You said there was news? Is it good? Good news?
Yeah, it's, bad news, I'm afraid. Torque Dog is dead.
Good heavens.
Wait, what?
But Torque Dog was so tough. There was nothing that could take him down. What happened?
Yeah, what on earth is going on
Show
here,
them the
Sparkles?
arrow.
These are what got him.
Tipped arrows?
Does this mean someone set a trap for Torque Dog? That's nasty.
I can't believe Talk Dog's gone. Just like that.
So, what happened to his stuff?
Whoa! How can you say that?
What? It's a valid question. Whoa.
Come on, everyone. Come on. Don't get greedy.
Just, I want to know what happened. For curiosity's sake.
It disappeared.
The stuff just disappeared, went down this weird hole in the floor.
Are we just supposed to take your word for that?
Guys, I saw it too. Jesse was poking around in Torque Dog's stuff right before it got sucked into a hopper. So I'm looking at this situation, I'm trying to figure something out. Is this just about Torque Dog, or is there a bigger picture?
Yeah, why have our portraits?
I don't know, guys. Knowing Talk Dog, I think this might just be about him.
Am I picking up some beef here?
What? No! I don't know what you're talking about.
There's something you're not telling me, Lizzie?
No, sorry, that came out wrong. You know what? Forget I said anything. Well, someone brought us here for a reason, including Talk Dog.
What if we're all in danger?
Oh my gosh, Dan's right.
Whoever's doing this, they could be hunting us.
Hunting us?
Hey, come on, everyone. If there's one thing I believe in, it's teamwork. If we all stick together and get through this as a team, we'll be fine.
Inspiring.
There you go, guys. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Wow.
Oh, all of this danger talk has my stomach all queasy.
Stampy, come over here. I need to talk to you about something.
Lizzie. Psst. Lizzie.
The more I think about it, the more I think that there's something these people really don't want us to know.
One of them's gotta know the truth about what's going on here.
It'd be nice to figure out what on earth is going on here, especially if we're gonna be stuck with these people until dawn.
Sounds like we've got a mystery to solve, people. Luckily, Detective Jesse is on the case.
Let's get investigating then.
Okay. Whew. Cutscene's over. Oh, well. Okay, so the plot of this episode, I was going to talk about it, but I got distracted with something, as always. The plot of this episode is, have you ever seen Family Guy? There was an episode called "And Then There Were Fewer." All the Family Guy characters were trapped in a mansion, and one by one, they started dying, and some of them died for good. I mean, all of them died for... Not all of them. The characters who died actually died for good. Like... Should I spoil it or not? Well, I'm not going to spoil, but some characters actually died for good. And they had to figure out who was doing the whole thing. So this is exactly the same plot. Now, I don't know if they ripped it off Family Guy, or Family Guy ripped it off from some book or something, but anyway, I'm rambling. Let's move it.
Hey there, Dan. Lizzie?
Oh, hello?
Hi there.
If you don't mind, I actually had some questions about this Torque Dog situation.
Yeah? Go ahead.
Is Torque Dog really a YouTuber? That's really the question I want to ask. But anyway, I am going to look him up after I finish streaming. I want to see if he's real or not. Vloggy's voice gets my nipples hard. Hang on, I want to try again. Vloggy's voice gets my nipples hard. Okay, maybe Family Guy was based on the movie Clue. Okay, probably. So, why target him?
Torque Dog was clearly targeted with this trap. Why him?
Well, he was bragging about having some kind of rare item.
Wouldn't show it to anyone, of course. Typical Talk Dog.
So this rare item that Torque Dog claimed to have, what can you tell me about it?
We don't know exactly.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
That's it. Why is that? Okay, that's it for now. I already know enough.
Okay, that's it for now. Thanks.
Vloggy Batman voice. Let me try that again. Hang on, let's try. I want to say by popular demand, but by true demand.
Torque Dog claimed to have some sort of
I'm Batman.
I haven't seen anything like that in his inventory, though.
I'm Batman.
Something's not quite adding up here.
Stacy Place. Come on, they used her YouTube name. Hello, my name is Stacy Place. Come on. I don't like that they used her YouTube name. It's just saying, imagine if I was invited to do the voiceover. My channel was VloggyBuddy 2, my second channel, you know, and my username here in this game would be like, hello, my name is VloggyBuddy 2. Stupid.
Hey guys, Stampy and Stacy.
I am Angelo.
Hello. Hey, Jesse. What's
Welcome
up?
to the stream,
I know
buddy.
things are a little nuts right now, but I've got some questions.
Oh, really? What?
Okay. Yes, Angelo, to answer your question, that is Stacy Place. Apparently, these are all YouTubers in this game. Captain Sparkles and then Stampy Cat and whatever, man. I don't Dork Dog, apparently. I don't know. I don't know any of these YouTubers. Oh my goodness, there isn't PewDiePie, is there? Hang on. Cat's demand now. Cat's demanding this now. I have to do it. Where are the drugs? I'm Batman. Where are the drugs? Okay, enough Batman voice now. Enough. That's it. Okay, so Stacy was interested. Who would kill Torque Dog? Let's go.
Anyone you can think of that would want something bad to happen to Torque Dog?
Well, I never had that big of a problem with him personally, but I know other people did. Quite a few, actually. I don't know if you noticed, but he was a bit of a griefer.
Yeah, and a thief.
Thief, huh? Interesting. Stacy, you seem pretty curious about what was in Torque Dog's inventory. What's up with that?
Well, Torque Dog was a pretty notorious thief. I was just curious what he had. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Why doesn't Lizzie like him? Well, nobody liked Torque Dog. I didn't like Torque Dog right away, so I won't be subscribing to him if he exists. Anyway, let's go.
Seems like Lizzie and Torque Dog really didn't like each other. Know anything else about that?
Oh, that! Real shame, real shame.
He broke into her house and stole a bunch of stuff from her. She was super upset about it.
You don't say. Thanks, you two. This has been enlightening.
No problem.
Yeah, no problem.
So did you find anything out from Stacy or Sturdy Cat?
Stampy Cat?
Right. So did you find anything out?
Apparently, Torque Dog was a well-known thief.
A thief, huh? That might have something to do with it, don't you think?
Agreed.
Cadex just ruined the game for me. It's true. Oh my goodness. Let's talk to the Meow Meow. Can we talk to the Meow? What the heck? Oh, he sat down. Is he glitching? The Meow Meow just glitched. Let's talk to... I can't talk to the Meow Meow. Just Captain Sparkles.
Hey, Sparkles, and Cassie Rose, yeah?
Yep, hi, that's me.
Hey there, Jesse.
Oh, Winslow says hi too.
You mind if I ask you guys some questions?
Nope. What are the questions?
Okay, so...
Got any guesses why someone would kill Torque Dog?
Gosh. He was a little prickly around the edges, you know? You'd have to ask other people about that. I didn't really know him.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to say anything mean about a guy that's not here to defend himself, but, well, you met him, right? Prickly is kind of an understatement.
It's true. Captain Sparkles is right. I like Captain Sparkles the most, actually. Not because he's the only one I know, but... I hope he doesn't die. Okay, so...
There was drama between Lizzie and Torque Dog, right? Got any insight?
Sorry, I'm not getting wrapped up in that, especially now that Torque Dog is, you know.
But it's weird, right? Definitely seems like there's some beef. Not that I want to get into rumors or anything like that.
Cassie, you seem pretty upset about people wanting to poke around Torque Dog's inventory.
Oh, was I?
Yeah, you were. Why was that?
Well, it was just so... It's insensitive, right? I mean, it had just happened, and she was all curious about what was in his pockets. Just made me mad, I guess.
I asked Stacy about why she wanted to see Torque Dog's inventory so bad, she said she was just curious.
Huh, just like me. What a coincidence.
Sparkles, Cassie, Winslow.
Winslow didn't do anything. Why did you thank Winslow?
problem.
Winslow is just a meow meow.
Yeah, anytime.
Get anything out of them?
Found out this group has a whole lot of secrets they're keeping from each other.
It's definitely something.
So, Torque Dog was a thief, and he supposedly had something rare, but I feel like there's still a piece missing. No one will tell me what this rare item is.
I think I can shed some light on that situation, actually.
Well, now my curiosity.
Okay, why so secretive?
You already had me at rare item.
Why is everyone so secretive about this thing? What's the big deal?
There's a temple way out in the middle of nowhere. No one knows who built it, but it's been there forever. People have been trying to track down the temple's location for ages because they want this treasure. It's supposedly deep in its basement. Now, it looks just like an ordinary flint and steel, but it's actually super rare. It's got this enchantment on it.
It can open portals to other worlds?
Exactly. Wait, what? You know about the enchanted flint and steel? How did you know that?
Okay, here.
Have you seen it? Have you seen it today?
I actually have one of my own.
Really?
Yeah, I do. Just used it a little while ago to
put
get...
that away. You can't just pull that out here. Okay. You know, I had a theory about why you were here, and I think this might just prove it. Everyone? Everyone? We've all been freaking out, wondering why we were all brought here. Why Torque Dog died, and Jesse has just uncovered a very important clue.
What? Really?
Whoever killed Torque Dog, whoever invited us, they're after the enchanted flint and steel.
Sparkles?
Stop me! Pull yourself together! Sparkles!
Greetings, adventurers. I am the White Pumpkin.
Would you like to play a game?
The treasure I desire. I will not rest until it is mine, even if I have to resort to murder.
White Pumpkin? Too cute to die!
Here goes Sparkles!
I loved Sparkles. I don't want Sparkles to die. He was the second one to die.
Oh, hang on!
This is awful. Terrible. Who was that guy?
And there's no such thing as white pumpkins!
The white pumpkins hanging all over the place!
I don't like it. I really...
Man, poor Captain Sparkles.
Yeah, trapped by sand. That's a rough way to go.
Yeah, super rough. And I'm not gonna be next. I'm out of here. Ugh!
So much for a nice dinner party.
I don't like the sound of that.
Shut the door! Shut the door!
Come here, Winslow. Don't be scared. So we're stuck in here. And if we're stuck in here, we're all doomed.
Hello, Hero B Gaming.
I thought I heard.
And hello, Sean Slaughter.
Flint and steel.
Oh, please don't bring that up again.
Well, obviously Torque Dog didn't steal it.
Okay, but who then?
Jesse?
He died. There's no point for me to play the game anymore. The only YouTuber I knew.
Nope, not happening. I am not letting that guy take down anyone else.
It's a good thought, Petra. But this white pumpkin is doing things I can't explain, and that scares me.
Well, I'm sure there's a perfectly logical explanation for how the White Pumpkin is doing all this. I mean, the whole place has got to be rigged with traps, right? Torque Dog, trap. Sparkles, trap.
Yeah, we need to find out what makes these traps tick. All right, I'm gonna investigate that dining room.
Cool. I'll keep those guys in the hall for now so I can keep an eye on everyone.
An excellent idea. Don't want them messing up the crime scene.
I'm sticking with you, Jesse. Doesn't seem safe to wander off alone.
Okay, people, clear out. This is a crime scene.
Okay, how are you doing this, White Pumpkin?
What is this? A dining room. It's blood. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I wanted to say something about somebody saying they had a problem with their noses. Really? The noses? I have a problem with the fact that they don't have any thumbs and fingers. The noses don't bother me that much. The fact that I don't have any fingers and thumbs. Let's look around. The dining room.
Man, poor Sparkles.
Crushed under sand. Ugh. Really nasty way to go.
This looks like the exact spot where the White Pumpkin appeared, but now, just a portrait. Unless... it's just a costume on an armor stand with a jukebox for the voice. No sign of how it was triggered.
Wow. The White Pumpkin must have some amazing redstone skills to rig up something like this. But why? Must have taken a lot of work to rig up. They must have a reason for it.
I think it was to scare us. A warning.
Well, mission accomplished.
Is it me or the game is a bit glitchy? I don't know. Look at that. Look at that. There was many times when the character was one place and then he appeared on the other. Like the cat. Did you notice the cat? Winslow. Ooh, a cake.
Impressive.
Anything?
Nah, looks like a regular old fireplace. Okay, so this was the dining table where we were all gathered together right before...
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's give this a shot.
Just like before.
Greetings, adventurers. I am the White Pumpkin.
Yep.
One of
just
you
like
is
before.
The treasure I desire, and I will not rest until it is mine, even if I have to resort to murder.
Jesse!
He's back! The White Pumpkin's back!
Don't worry, everyone, it's just a dummy. A White Pumpkin costume on an armor stand.
Wait, what? Why?
The trap that killed Sparkles, the whole show with the White Pumpkin, it was all triggered by a button on the table.
But what does that mean?
I am
The killer sat at the table. Exactly.
Understandably.
It means that the White Pumpkin sat at this very table and pushed the button.
Wait, so you're saying that the White Pumpkin is one of us?
That's right, Mr. Stampy. One of us is a murderer.
And he sat right here.
Wait, but that's not where Jesse found the button before.
What?
There's more than one?
I'll see if I can find all of them.
Nice work, Jesse.
Yes, I must say I'm relieved to know that there's a logical explanation for what the White Pumpkin's been doing.
So what now? Feels like we've made some good progress so far, though, right?
We need to pull together all our evidence and see how it connects. That tipped arrow means that White Pumpkin is a master brewer, and the traps show that he's a real redstone expert.
Okay, that's all of them.
If you could all please take the same seat you were at before. 4 of your seats are marked. These are the seats that had a button.
Hello, Christian.
Trap.
Welcome to the
That
stream.
means the White Pumpkin could
We're playing some
only
Minecraft story
command
mode. Just came out
Stampy, Lizzie,
today/yesterday.
Wait, you're accusing us? Wait, what?
I echo their sentiments.
Calm your
exactly.
tits.
I didn't even see a button.
Me neither.
Hey, would you people all just calm down?
Calm? Listen to this. Talking about calm.
I hate Stampy Cat. I hate his voice.
Bottom of this. I want everyone separated. I'm going to talk to each suspect one by one so I can find out who's telling the truth and who's lying. I got a whole lot of questions, and I want nice little matching answers for each and every one of them. Understand me?
Loud and clear.
Yes, crystal clear.
Who are you gonna interrogate first?
I will decide after I pee. I'm gonna have to go to pee. Be right back. So much wine. Be right back, guys. And I'm back. I'm glad to see that the game did not make a decision for me. Let's start with Stampy because I don't like him the most. So I'm hoping he's the he's the killer.
Stampy Cat.
Jesse, I'm telling you, this is just crazy! Absolutely crazy! Total misunderstanding! I don't even want that flint and steel thingy! Not, as much as the others at any rate! Did I hear someone saying that it has something to do with portals? I don't have any interest in portals! No, sir! Not for old Mr. Stampy Cat, thank you! It's me, Stampy! Everyone's friend!
You seem nervous.
I gotta say, Stampy, you seem nervous. Everything okay?
Take your time, Christian.
Comfortable?
Take your time.
No,
Thank you for being
I'm
here.
not nervous. No, totally comfortable. I could fall asleep right here, right now. I'm that comfortable, honestly. Please just tell me what you want to know.
Okay, enough dancing around. Who do you think took the flint and steel?
I don't think it was ever actually stolen.
Oh?
Yeah, so Dan got it ahead of Lizzie, right? And she was pretty angry about it. I think he made up that story about it being stolen so she'd think he didn't have it anymore. Classic Dan move.
Know anything about this?
Oh, wow! What?
You keep hearing the...
Magic arrow?
So you keep hearing
never
the
seen anything
voices
like it
repeating
before.
after
Honest.
they say what they have to say.
Would
Like if
love
it
to
says
see
wow,
something like
you
that,
hear
though.
wow a bit
Lizzie,
later,
she's
and
wild about
I kind of
potions
fade the
and brewing and
thingy.
all of that. She's way
Because
better
that
with
could
stuff
be
than I am.
the audio from the
Good
TV
with
being picked up
potions,
by
you
the
say?
microphone. I
Very
could just
good.
put the
Could probably even teach a class.
then just put the TV volume down a bit. Maybe it improves.
What do you know about redstone? What's your skill level with the stuff?
Well, you know, about average? Average level? Moderate? I don't know how these things are graded these days. I know that Dan's been getting really into the stuff lately, though. Just putting that out there, in case you're curious.
Dan's interested in redstone, huh? You're excused, Stampy. Thank you for your time.
Oh, thank goodness. This room's making me very nervous.
Who's up next?
Bring me Dan.
Can you send Dan in, please?
Right.
Hey, I don't know what Stampy told you, but I'm telling you, you've got the wrong guy. Honest. I would never hurt anyone. You've got to believe me. If anyone's been wronged here, it's me. That enchanted flint and steel everyone's talking about, I found that. That's mine. At least it was before someone stole it. And now everything's gone completely crazy. People getting caught in horrible traps, everyone accusing and blaming each other.
That's why you invited everyone here, huh? To find out who stole it?
What? No. I didn't invite anyone. That's not what's going on. I was invited here, same as everyone else.
Uh-huh.
I'm not the White Pumpkin. You've got to believe me. What can I tell you to convince you?
Who stole your flint and steel, huh? Let's see.
Out with it. Who stole the flint and steel?
Oh, well, Lizzie, obviously. She was jealous. Never got over the fact that I found it first.
So, how do you rate your redstone knowledge?
Me? Whew, not much. Not really my scene. You want to know more about that stuff? You should ask Stampy.
You're lying.
Champion.
Weird. Stampy said that you were pretty into redstone.
What? No, he's got me confused with someone else. I'm sure of it. Now, Lizzie, though, I've seen her do some amazing things with redstone. Between you and me, I wouldn't be surprised if she was the one behind all of this.
They're all blaming each other.
Know anything about this?
Oh, wow. No, I've never seen anything like that before.
No? Tipped arrows not ringing a bell? Made using potions?
Nuh-uh, but you want to know about stuff with potions? I'd ask Lizzie.
He keeps
She's
blaming
way better with
Lizzie,
that
yeah?
stuff than I am.
You can go now, Dan.
Thanks, Jesse. Thank you. And when you talk to Lizzie, don't forget to ask her about those crazy magic arrows. I bet she'll know something.
Want me to send in Lizzie?
That'd be great. Thanks, Petra.
And if I'm not mistaken, the girl voicing
Jesse,
Petra
listen. There's been a lot of
is
talk about
Ellie
today.
from The Last
I
of
don't know
Us.
what people have told you. I don't know what you believe. But I'll just
YouTubers are not to be trusted.
I want that enchanted flint
Hey,
much
true,
more.
I take offense in that.
Probably more than any of them. I've been searching for it for years. Do you know how much it stung to have Dan swoop in and take it from under my nose?
Wow, would you kill someone for it?
Nah, I wouldn't do that. I'm starting to get real irritated with this White Pumpkin fella, though. Listen, I just want to get out of here and get on with my day. What do you have to hear to be convinced that the White Pumpkin isn't me?
You like using redstone? Ever make traps with the stuff?
I'm fine, I guess. I can make lights and doors and stuff. You want to do advanced stuff? You gotta talk to Stampy. He was the tri-block champion.
So I've heard.
So two people are blaming Stampy now. Interesting.
Know what this is?
Tipped arrow. Kinda shoddy work, though. Definitely not one of mine, if that's what you're wondering. Some noob made that thing. What? Yeah, I knew what a tipped arrow was. I'm a good brewer. Doesn't mean it's mine. I taught Cassie and Stacy how to make those ages ago.
No, because everyone else seems to think otherwise.
What? What are you talking about?
Let's see. I'm gonna ask the question on my mind.
Yeah.
I
Everyone
hit X
asked
by
is
mistake.
that
I was
you're
supposed
the
to hit
only one
square.
with the skills
I want to ask if it was Stampy.
Okay, sure. Of the people here, maybe. Doesn't make me the White Pumpkin, though. And I'm not sure I like you implying otherwise.
I'm just gonna be straight. Who do you think stole the flint and steel?
Well, it wasn't me, if you're curious. If I had an enchanted flint and steel, I'd be off exploring some other world with it. Between you and me, though, I think Dan's whole story about it being stolen from him is a load of trash. I bet he's still got it.
Thanks for your time, Lizzie. That's all for now.
Oh, come on! This is nuts!
You had a button too. Fair's fair. It's your buddy's turn next.
Hey, Jesse.
Ah, my final suspect. Here to point more fingers and blame more people, I'm sure.
I didn't push the button, you know.
I figured. Thanks, though.
How's it been going in here? It is just non-stop whispering and rumors
I have my
out there.
suspects.
Me, Petra, and Ivor, pretty much been sticking to ourselves.
I think I have my suspect.
Really? You actually think you know the White Pumpkin's real identity?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell everyone at once. Come on, suspect. It's time to return to the others.
So, have you decided?
Yes, who do you think the White Pumpkin really is?
Hang on, everyone. First of all, I want to thank everyone for answering my questions. There's still not 100% proof of anyone, but...
But...
Yes. Where are your suspicions leading, Jesse?
What's going on in chat? I'm feeling awkward.
Dan was in there way
I'm not
longer.
comfortable.
Hey, not cool.
Guys, come on.
I think it might be Stampy. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it.
Having talked to all the key witnesses, I think it might be... Stampy Cat.
No, that's crazy talk. Absolute crazy talk.
Of the suspects, he's the one with the redstone chops to make all these traps.
No. You can't really believe this, can you?
I'm thinking we lock him back in that library. Hold him there till morning.
Sounds like a good plan.
Sorry, Stampy, but we can't take any chances
Oh,
here.
come on. I'm Stampy Cat. Mr. Stampy. I'm no White Pumpkin.
He sounds like an idiot.
Certainly some excitement.
Take care, Carex. Take your time, buddy.
If the White Pumpkin is still roaming around, though, he might be trying to set up more traps. We need to figure out how these things work. Like, we know that the Sparkles trap was triggered by those buttons under the table, but what about the trap that turned Torque Dog into a pincushion? If we figure out how these things work, we might be able to find more proof about who the White Pumpkin is, how they're operating.
Petra's got a good point.
I'm not sure, but the White Pumpkin didn't trigger it until Torque Dog was in the exact right spot. That means he must have been watching from somewhere.
Creepy.
Yes. Seems like it might be worth our while to poke around the kitchen.
You guys go on ahead. I'm gonna stay here, keep an eye on these other people. I don't want them trying anything when we're not looking.
Thanks,
True.
Lucas.
Wow, you're a good detective. It must have been
Back
you
in the
because
kitchen.
you have a
So,
weird
what are we looking
hoodie.
for exactly? Buttons like back in the
We
dining
need
room?
concrete evidence. It's true.
Conspicuous white pumpkins lying around?
Too many loose ends flying around. A lot of evidence that doesn't add up. We need to find some definitive, concrete evidence.
Got it. I'm on the lookout.
And I'll just look around for a bit.
Does this painting have
It
eyeballs?
does.
Oh, yeah. How'd I not notice that before?
Seems worth taking a closer inspection.
Punch.
Oh! It's some sort of secret passageway. Very clever. What do you suppose that lever does?
Okay, everyone, make sure you're nowhere near that arrow trap.
More of those potion-covered arrows. Nasty.
Well, seems like we found out how the White Pumpkin killed Torque Dog.
Yeah, and how he's getting around the house.
I assume we're investigating the creepy passageway?
I think we've come too far to turn around now.
Well, after you then.
Killer instinct.
I hope Stampy's okay locked up in the library. We could have put them in even bigger danger.
He'll be safe in
What if
there.
there are more traps in there?
Well, even if it isn't the right person, at least he's safe.
I guess that makes sense.
Sort of.
What do you think that is?
No idea. But look, a lever.
Don't touch it, Ivor.
The amount of redstone wiring that must be hidden in this place. Amazing.
Ivor, no!
What do you think I am? Gents, I was just looking at it.
Oh, good.
Thanks for the vote of confidence, though. See anything that this lever might be connected to? What do you see?
It's the library. I can see Stampy locked up in there.
Huh.
Hey, I have to speak to you.
Oh, Dan, what are you doing here?
I snuck in past that blonde guy, Lucas, but I had to speak to you. It's really important. It was me. I killed Sparkles.
What?
What? You're the white pumpkin?
Oh, what? No. I swear, it was an accident.
But Dan, accident? Really?
I swear, I had no idea. There was this button. I'm not good with buttons. I had to push it. And I had no idea what it would do. Now I feel awful.
Well, it's just... that's a little hard to believe.
I know. It sounds ridiculous. I've been beating myself up about it ever since it happened. And then you got locked up in here. I just had to come in and clear my conscience.
The white pumpkin, he's in there.
Then let's go kick his butt.
Peephole. Punch.
Yeah.
Gosh, it's not Stampy.
What on earth?
Him. Go get him.
What's going on? The door's locked, Jesse!
Spiders, they're everywhere.
Okay, I'll see if I can get in another way.
Let's do this.
Get it off! Thanks.
He's gone.
For now, time to get to the bottom of this. I was watching you from the walls. We need to talk.
Oh, no. You heard the part where I said it was an accident, right? I'm innocent. What do I have to do to make you believe me?
Stop talking.
I could go and sit in the corner very quietly and not touch anything, button or otherwise, for the whole rest of the night.
Oh my gosh, Dan, would you please stop talking for 2 minutes?
Sorry. I talk a lot when I'm nervous, and I'm very nervous right now. Hang on. I think I figured something out. You were behind that portrait, right?
Yeah?
There was one just like that upstairs. I wonder if... maybe the white pumpkin... Yes! Maybe the white pumpkin... Ah!
No.
Enjoying the party? That's my cue.
Come on!
Jesse, are you okay?
I plan on finishing this chapter tonight. Shouldn't be that long anyway. Watch out!
Look out!
Soul sand?
Ah, that's an awesome trap.
Your luck's about to run out.
Oh, this guy's fit.
There! Jesse, I'll cut him off!
Lucas?
Jesse!
Who is this guy? What?
Lucas?
Hey. Give me a moment. I'm trying to figure this one out myself.
What happened?
What happened, Lucas? I thought you were chasing the white pumpkin.
Yeah, I was, and I almost had him until, he took me by surprise and stuffed this pumpkin on my head.
What's going on in here?
No! You called the white pumpkin! Grab him, quick!
On it. Get out of our way, Jesse.
Yeah, it's all
Hang on,
out in
hang
the
on.
open now. You can't defend your friend anymore.
No. I know what's going on here, and I won't stand for it. One of you is still the white pumpkin, and you're just trying to pin it on Lucas.
Yeah, bold words.
Especially coming from someone with a knack for locking up innocent people.
It's the facts, Jesse! These horrible things only started happening when your group arrived. And now, Dan is gone too.
Hey, gaming villager.
I say we throw him outside and let nature take its course.
I will find out why Nightbot timed you out
Where all the googlies
after this
are.
conversation
No,
is
you
over.
can't
Hold on,
do
and
that.
I'll tell you what you did wrong.
Now, hang on.
Welcome
I
to the
still
stream,
have my
buddy.
suspicions about Lucas, but Jesse
Nightbot is
saved
very
him,
sensitive. I'm sorry.
and you tried really hard to save Dan. It just wouldn't feel right to throw your friend to the googlies.
Actually, I'm very, very curious. I'm gonna find out for you right now, gaming villager, because I want to see what's going on. Hang on. I'm back. I'm back, gaming village. I was just curious why, for my own reasons, really. It's because you put in a lot of exclamations. Apparently, don't worry about it. It's fixed. I just disabled that. I gave a talking to Nightbot. It won't happen again. Let's go.
Oh man, I'm so glad you said that. We really are just here to help.
Fine.
Thank you.
Don't go celebrating yet. We've still got to do something with you so you're not roaming around freely.
What? Like lock me up in a closet or something?
There was a closet in the main hall with a lovely metal door. Seems like a perfect place to lock someone up.
Wait, I was mostly joking.
I guess that's fair. But I'm keeping guard because I still don't trust him. That cool with everyone?
And I don't trust you.
That's funny, because I don't trust you.
It's fine, Jesse. I'll watch over Lucas.
Awesome.
Come on, Cassie. But don't go getting any funny ideas. Blonde guy, this isn't because I like you or anything.
No, of course not.
Be quiet. Prisoners aren't supposed to talk.
Okay, well, what are we supposed to do now? We need to figure out how we're gonna clear Lucas's name. And I'd like to do it sooner rather
If I
than
know
later. Seems like
how the white
some of
pumpkin
these
escaped.
people are getting a little stir-crazy.
Somehow the white pumpkin was able to escape that room when Lucas chased him into it. We need to figure out how he did that.
Sounds like a plan to me.
Let's look around. Starting from this painting. Nothing. White Pumpkin's portrait. Is he gonna to every single painting? Come on. Yeah, he is. Don't. I can punch it. Hang on, I can punch all of them actually. Let's start from this one. I bet there's a passageway through here.
Whoa, another secret passage.
Would you look at that?
Well, this looks promising. I wonder what order these need to be in.
Oh no, I need to... It's a puzzle. Let I take from...
Okay, that seems like a step in the right direction. There we go. Awesome. Oh, yeah, that seems right.
I have no idea what I just did.
Oh, wow! You got it open!
Yeah, you guys should stay here. Could be dangerous.
No, I totally want to follow you into your friend's creepy secret passageways.
Seriously? You really think Lucas did
You
it?
haven't proven that he didn't yet.
Tetra, let it go, okay? They're just scared.
Fine. But if she says something like that again...
Yeah, I really wouldn't want to be there for that. Come on. Wow, that is deep. Guess it leads down to whatever the White Pumpkin calls home. I wonder how he gets down there.
Maybe in addition to walking through walls, he can fly for all we know. Ugh! It's just... I'm really worried about Lucas. Those people think they're all safe, but the White Pumpkin is still running around, and he could strike again at any minute. Not to mention, all those people back there have been so ungrateful, so petty.
Petra, don't worry. We're gonna stop the White Pumpkin way before he can hurt anyone else. It's gonna be fine.
You're right. I know you're right. Sorry, Jesse. I just really needed to get that off my chest.
We're gonna get through this. Let's start by figuring out how we're gonna get down there, huh? You know the drill. What have you got in your inventory? Didn't you have all those wood blocks?
Sorry, I was whittling earlier. Nervous habit.
Well, luckily those should do.
We're gonna make a ladder out of those. We all hate Stampy, don't we? We hate Stampy. Hashtag we hate Stampy. Let's make a ladder. I know how to make ladders. Come on.
Gonna need a lot of them.
I'll race you.
You're on.
So, wow, 64 stacks. So, you need to make an H. But that's just one.
Done.
Don't... Oh, man. Thanks. I needed that.
All right, we got a lot more of these to make.
Let's get to work.
I wish I could craft that fast.
Okay, that's one down.
Lots more to go.
I have no idea who the killer could be. I have no idea.
See? Told you we'd make it.
Yeah, I just hope this works.
Hello, Game World.
We're gonna find
Welcome to
White
the stream.
Pumpkin down here. With all these secret passageways, it's so hard to tell where he might be.
No, I think he's still upstairs.
We should still be prepared for anything.
Hey, do you hear?
Lots and lots of zombies? Yeah, I do. I'm starting to smell them too.
Ugh, ditto. Gross.
Well, that explains all the zombie noises.
I don't know, Christian. I have no idea. I don't know what to think anymore. These kind of games, as I was explaining earlier, I think True said it earlier that this episode is based on the movie Clue, apparently. As far as I know, it's the Family Guy episode, and that there were fewer. And what they do is they try to mislead you into thinking that the guilty guy is actually the guilty guy, but you'd be surprised who the guilty guy is, or if that's making any sense. Anyway, so I don't know. Thank you so much for subscribing. We're close to 1K right now. We're very, very close, so you'd be helping right now. Thank you so much. I'll try my best not to disappoint you with my content. I play games, and I unbox stuff, True knows. And I eat weird stuff too.
What in the world is that? Oh, some sort
Exactly,
of
it's a zombie spawner.
Does that mean the white pumpkin actually made the sea of zombies outside?
That's what it looks like.
This game is making me want to play Minecraft again. I haven't played Minecraft in years.
What's that?
Items dropping.
I think this is where people's stuff goes after those hoppers upstairs suck it up.
You're right. Look, I think that's Dan's. Okay, but where's the loot going from here?
Hopefully right to the white pumpkin.
Up there.
Hey, you see the light coming out of that tunnel too, right?
Huh?
Did I?
Yeah.
Did I hit 1K, really?
It looked like it's blocked off, like all the, zombie-filled ones.
You can get
I'm not
up
really
there,
looking right
you
now.
might be able to follow the loot to where it's going.
That's awesome. Nice find. How do you want to get up there?
Grab some dirt, Petro. We're going climbing.
Let's climb. We're grabbing dirt and we're doing this thing. I used to do it in Minecraft as well.
Okay, I think we can jump from here.
Yeah, gotcha.
That was almost embarrassing. Thanks, Jesse.
Well, England is in Europe, Game World, so... But yeah, I'm in Europe, but not in England.
Weird. That almost sounds like...
Cats?
Hold left on analog stick to peek around corner.
Whoa!
Yeah, I figured it would be just a statue.
It's just some sort of growing station. Weird.
The white pumpkin must have heard us. Whoa!
Stampy Cat?
Boy, you gave me a fright! What are you doing down here?
I could ask you the same question.
Well, that's needlessly confrontational. I
It's
needed to
Stampy
find
Cat.
you
I think
because
True
have
is
something
right.
important to tell you. I have something to confess. Something I
There it
haven't
is.
told anyone.
Where is this going?
I stole it from Dan. It was just supposed to be a joke, a harmless prank, but then, well, you've seen what happened.
Wow. Who'd have thought?
I knew people wanted it, but I had no idea that this would happen.
So you're saying this is all your fault?
No! Oh no! This is exactly why I've kept it a secret! I may be a thief, but I'm no killer! But that white pumpkin is, and he's killing people for it! And now we're down in his lair! I was thinking maybe I should just give it to the white pumpkin.
What?
Just maybe that would make it all stop, right? Maybe?
First, we need to figure out who this white pumpkin really is, then we'll figure out what to do from there.
I suppose that's a better strategy.
Maybe it's not Stampy Cat.
That looks like a lair door if I ever saw
Okay.
one.
Before I pull the lever, thank you so much. Thank you for the congratulations on the 1K. But I hate celebrating so soon. I want to make sure I hit way over 1K first because of trolls. There was this one person on YouTube and he was celebrating he hit 100 or 200 subs. It was like, I hit 100 or whatever. And people started unsubbing just to troll him, and he went back to 90 in like 3 minutes. So I hate celebrating right away. We're just leaving some room for trolls. Welcome, Fitness A to Z. Welcome to the stream. We're playing some Minecraft and we are about to pull this lever. Take a seat.
Before we go in there, I just wanted to thank you.
For what?
Locking me up earlier. You kind of saved my life in an odd way.
No problem. Oh, wow.
Very creepy.
I would not put this in my top 10 places I've ever been.
Well, there's where the meowing's coming from.
Don't worry, we'll get out of here as soon as we find something that proves the white pumpkin's identity.
Why are there so many cats around? I don't know. Let's look at the bedrock. No? Books?
Let's see here. Legend of the World, portals, basic portal theory, portals of you. Wow, they're all about portals. That's
Yo, Max Rock! Welcome to the stream! We're playing some Minecraft story mode. It's not something I usually play, but I got excited because I love Minecraft, even though this is a bit cheesy. And there's a bunch of YouTubers here apparently. VloggyBuddy's not there. Not even true.
Petra, did you see this?
That's the portal hallway.
Yeah, it looks like the white pumpkin's been there too.
Let's see what's inside these chests. Chests of the dead. Torque dog. Look at that.
Oh no. Here's where everyone's stuff gets collected.
Those poor people.
I'm gonna look around before I speak to people. Yeah, I noticed, Christian. There's a lot of Winslows up there. We'll check them out.
I'm guessing this chest should have... Oh, yep, we've got sticks.
Anything else?
Oh, wow, and ender pearls. Sweet, that must be how the white pumpkin got down that elevator shaft. Looks like a typical brewing stand. Must be where the white pumpkin made the tipped arrows that killed Torque Dog. Didn't Lizzie say that she taught Cassie and Stacy how to make those too?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, she did.
Should be able to get some string from those cobwebs. It'll go perfectly with those
strings and sticks. He's gonna craft a bow and arrow soon.
That chest definitely seems important. Okay, kitty, can you scoot out of the way, please? I need to get in the chest. No, bad kitty. Oh, stupid cats. Need something to distract him from to get that chest.
So lame and cheesy. Yeah, I need to get the fish from the pond or whatever. Let's do that. I can't go through here.
I bet one of those would convince that cat.
Alright, no, I'm gonna craft a fishing rod.
Catch one?
There was a workbench here somewhere. There it is. And with the workbench I'm gonna craft a fishing rod. Did I say rod? A fishing rod with the sticks and the string. I hope I remember the recipe right. No. How do I remove? You know, I know, you learned this by playing the actual Minecraft game.
Oh, to get a fish! Cats love fish!
Yeah, and I saw one in the pond that'll be perfect.
Takes way longer than that to catch a fish in Minecraft, but anyway.
Wow, nice catch, Jesse.
Thanks. Bet that cat'll love this.
Here, fishy. Catty. I was gonna say fishy. Use fish.
Okay, here, kitty. Get the fishy. There you go. Jeez. Oh, many cats, so many cats.
Ugh, cats give me the creeps. No offense, Stampy.
None taken. I'm not really a cat.
At least I can finally get in here now. It's full of portraits. Loads of them.
Oh, I don't like that. Guess he already had all the X'd out ones ready to go.
Yep, besides Petra, we've got Lizzie, Stacy, Stampy, Lucas, Ivor, and... well, hey, there's me!
But what does it all mean? The cats, the crossed out portraits?
Yeah, the portraits. There was one person who didn't have a crossed out portrait. Someone who's a known cat person.
Okay, so who did it?
Yes, you figured it out?
I don't know.
Jesse?
Oh, I've got it! Cassie's the one with the missing portrait. It must be Cassie!
Oh, yeah, I guess you're right.
Not only is she the white pumpkin, but she owns way too many cats.
Well, come on, you guys. It's time to prove Lucas's innocence and catch us a white pumpkin.
I'll go round everyone up.
What's going on?
Hello, Keith.
You were down there a while. What's happening?
Did you even find anything?
I put the controller down. Dang it! I didn't
Jesse?
make a decision.
Go on.
I'm an idiot.
Yeah, I can't wait to hear this.
No sign of Cassie, but... Ah!
Are you gonna tell them, or should I just do it?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Jesse, go on.
Is this going where I think this is going?
Go on, Cassie, tell them.
Tell us what, Cass?
It sounds like Jesse's trying to make you think that I'm the white pumpkin.
No way! That can't be true, right?
Yeah, Jesse, I'm afraid you're gonna have to do better than that. Look at the facts. We caught Lucas with that pumpkin head right after poor Dan got taken out. I think you're just lying to protect him.
Cassie's making a lot of sense, Jesse. Do you have any evidence to back you up?
There's something that's been bothering me for a while now. Something that happened in the Great Hall shortly after Torque Dog was hit with that trap.
What's that?
Go on, Jesse. You've got this.
Where is this going?
Shh, let Jesse finish.
Cassie said she recognized us, even before we saw the portraits.
That was actually me.
Oh, shoot, I guess I
Oops.
misremembered that. Well, no matter. I haven't even gotten to the really juicy stuff yet. That came next. When we were down in the basement, we found some very interesting items. Items for the White Pumpkin's evening
Christian
festivities.
thinks it's
There
Cassie.
was one very significant.
I wanted to be.
What was this
I wanted to be Stampy.
I think Jesse's about to tell everyone. Jesse?
Sounds like it really wasn't that significant, was it, Jesse?
Jesse, come on. You're blowing this. You can do it.
But it was the last piece of evidence, dear friends, that helped me really figure out who we were dealing with here. Cats. Dozens of calico cats, and they all look just like...
Exactly.
An amusing story, Jesse. But if you saw all these supposed cats just like mine, then what color is Winslow? It shouldn't be a problem. if you
Alright.
saw 100.
Challenge accepted. Mostly brown and orange.
Really?
Black, white, and orange. Help me out, guys!
Winslow? He's brown, orange, and white. Easy.
Crap.
Wrong.
I'm sorry, Jesse, but it just doesn't add up.
I guess that means the most likely candidate is still Lucas.
No way. No way. I am not leaving here without him. So, do you punks want to do it the easy way? Or the way where I punch all of you?
Guys! Come on! There are better ways to resolve this.
I'm starting to wonder if you're all in on it.
Please, I know I didn't convince you about Cassie, but you have to believe me that Lucas is innocent.
No. Please, we don't have to do this. We don't have to do this. I have the enchanted flint and steel.
You had it? You? I've been stuck in this stupid world with its stupid 2 moons for years! Trapped with a portal right under my nose, but no key to open it.
Wait, Jesse was right.
You were all so wrapped in your stupid drama.
It was Cassie.
Oh, don't monologue. It's very unbecoming.
Stop talking and
Look at all the
grab
trolls in the
Cassie.
chat. Well done.
I'll fight all of you! Each and every one of you!
Another trap! We need to dig her out!
After everyone she's hurt, she can dig herself out.
Dig for Cassie. No, dig for Cassie. Come on.
This.
Yeah.
She died.
Wait, look! I can't believe it. She's gone.
What a way to go.
Yeah, I guess in all the chaos, she forgot where her own traps were. Wow.
Wow. The trapper taken out by one of her own traps. That's ironic.
If only she had just asked us for help, we could have avoided this whole thing.
Hey, it's morning.
I guess that's it then.
Yeah, we're free.
And we're alive! It's not wasted standing around. There could still be traps everywhere in here!
I think that's it. I think we finished the chapter.
Oh, I've never been so happy to smell rotting flesh.
Yeah, that is... Yikes, that is pretty rank.
I feel bad that Dan and Sparkles aren't here to smell it. Or Talk Dog and Cassie, I guess.
That's a good point.
Yeah, sorry to be a downer. Just can't stop thinking about it.
I tried my hardest, but there was nothing I could do.
Oh, we all know that, Jesse. It's not your fault.
Lucky for us, that portal brought you here.
Speaking of which, I have no idea how to begin finding our exit portal.
Well, Cassie said it was right under her nose, right?
That's true. Maybe it's nearby. Hey, what do you know? There it is.
A fabulous coincidence!
So.
Oh,
I
have you
guess
seen
this
this,
is
Christian,
goodbye,
already?
huh?
Have you seen the Let's Play? Have you
Yeah.
finished the game already?
Just let us know if you ever accidentally find yourselves in our
If
world.
so, thank you for not
I mean,
spoiling.
that's a nice offer and all.
Thank you for
I don't
hanging
think
around
any
and
portal
not
hopping
spoiling.
Without a portal key.
Oh, well, I think Stampy's got you covered there.
That's right. In all the excitement, I almost forgot about that.
It was just meant to be a prank, a harmless prank, and I'm so sorry, so very, very sorry.
Yeah, come on, it's Stampy. You know he would never actually try to hurt anyone.
Hey, it's cool, guys. You can share it and make, like, your own Order of the Stone.
Yeah, I guess I could live with that.
Yes, that's a wonderful idea.
Well, I'm not great at goodbyes, so I'm actually just gonna start walking home. Thanks for everything.
Me too. Bye, you guys.
Bye!
I hate you, Stampy Cat.
Strange bunch of individuals.
Even the way he runs, did you see that?
Cassie, what's her name, was talking about being trapped here from another world. What if she was one of the old builders?
Portal keys, other worlds. It all adds up, I guess.
I know.
Oh, wow, I think you could be right. It totally makes sense.
If it's true, I sort of thought old builders would be taller.
I just can't believe that we finally met someone who might be an old builder, and she's a pumpkin-wearing serial killer. Typical.
Well, here we are. Would you care to do the honors, Jesse?
Use. What?
Huh? That's weird. Winslow?
That's strange. I thought...
That's weird.
What happened?
I can't see a thing.
Well, that's ominous.
Do you hear that?
Silverfish. Endermites.
Endermites!
And there it is, Jesse! You're trapped. Stuck! Just like I've been in this rotten world.
Come on, Cassie. Just let us go, and we can go our separate ways.
After everything you've done to me? No. I don't know how much time you've spent with Endermites, but the poor things are eternally hungry. I would throw the flint and steel up here before I drop you down to find out how sharp their teeth are.
Guys, I dropped the flint and steel when we
Hello,
fell.
Lizzie.
I have no idea where it
Welcome
went.
to the stream.
Tick tock, Jesse!
Nice to have you.
What's it gonna be? The flint and steel? Or your lives? Just give me the flint and steel and I'll let you go free.
I don't believe her.
Hey, I'm sure we can make a deal, huh? How about we share?
Share? Share? What, you want to walk through some portal happily holding hands and stab me in the back later? Nope, this is taking too long. I'll just let the Endermites eat you and fish it out of your inventory.
It'll be the best fishing trip ever. Winslow, my pet, activate the trap. Want something done right, Captain? Prepare for your death.
Guys!
Jesse!
Come on, Winslow.
Oh no!
Stupid door?
Oh, it's no use! Without a lever or button, we'll never get these iron doors open.
Just hold on, guys. I'm gonna get up to the control panel.
That's right. And dippers are
That is
awesome.
disorienting.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I was looking at chat. I barely made it. Oops, I didn't. I was looking at chat.
Leverage. And a key, Jesse.
Guys, no! No!
Hey, Jesse!
Guys, holy crap, you're all alive, thank goodness.
Yeah, for now.
Don't worry, I found a lever.
Throw it down.
Okay, get ready.
Got it.
Okay, you guys get to safety. I need to find that flint and steel.
You're not a fast learner, are you? I grow tired of this game, Jesse. The key. You didn't have it either. Well, now, it's mine.
Nope. No! No, we are going home.
No! You can't do this! I've waited too long!
It's mine, Cassie! I won't let you have it!
Eat it! Eat it, pussycat!
No! No, Winslow! Don't touch that!
Eat it!
No, Winslow! Bad kitty! Stop it! Winslow! Good boy! Sweet kitty! Bring her back to Master!
You stupid cat!
Don't threaten my cat! Only I threaten my cat!
That is awesome! The cat is a troll.
No!
There you are! After all this time, I'm free! Winslow, we have to go! What have I told you about wandering off?
I think you should give that back, Cassie.
No, I'm afraid not. I'll give you one thing.
Yes, yes, Lizzie, keep it a secret, keep it a secret. I want to finish the game before I know what's gonna happen. So keep it to yourself for now, please.
That's netherrack, Jesse. It stays on fire forever! Well, Winslow, that's the last of the obstacles. We're finally going home! Come on, Winslow. Winslow, come on. Oh, I love him.
I'm gonna insult his cat again. Second time.
Hey, cats suck!
What did you say?
You heard me, cats suck. Pigs are way cooler.
I don't know what you're playing at, but I'm bored with it.
What's going... I've got it! Excellent! I did it!
You're all dying now!
No thank you!
Catch it.
Got it!
No!
Well, Jesse, I bet you're real proud of yourself. Look at me! Stuck again! Out of ender pearls!
And that's where she wanted us to end up.
Trapped in my own trap! Of course.
I'm really sorry it had to be this way, Cassie. I wish it could have gone differently.
Me too. Wait! At least don't leave me here all alone. Give me my cat. My dear, sweet Winslow. He's my best, my only friend. Please.
Give Winslow.
Here, kitty. Here, you pain in the butt, kitty.
Ah, there you are, Winslow. Who loves you? Come to Master. Oh, there you are. There you are. You and me are together forever, just like it was always meant to be. Trapped together forever. Just me and my little Winslow.
Wow, so she kept the real portal hidden down here all this time.
Unless this one is a trap, too.
I don't know if even she'd be that paranoid.
Only one way to find out.
good sign so far.
Yeah, no trick floors or arrows or anything.
Okay, sure. But who's going first?
We're a team, we all go together. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Adventure!
Shut up, Pee-wee. Yes! Next time on Minecraft Story Mode.
Alright, what's going on, dudes? It's me, Captain Sparkles. Next time on Minecraft Story Mode. After defeating the dreaded White Pumpkin, will Jesse and the others find their way back to the portal hallway? And will it lead them home? Or instead, are they destined for more perilous adventures? Well, I guess I'll never know because I got pounded into the ground by a ton of sand. I guess you saw that, right? I'm in the middle of an amazing speech, and boom! I've suddenly become part of the floor. I mean, dude, you saw that, right? How much worse can it get? First they choose not to invite me on their adventure, and the next thing I know, I'm part of the floor. Anyway, one thing's for certain. Even without me, this is gonna be an amazing adventure.
Did you show the Flint and Steel Captain Sparkles? You and 71.4%. Give me a chance, man! So cool. I like watching these. See how many people agree with the decisions I did. Interesting. Really is interesting. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream here. It's one of the short ones, actually. I hate making a short stream. But hey, the episode is short. It's not my choice. I just wanted to play this. You will cry. Don't cry, Lizzie. Here's what you can do so you don't cry. Subscribe to my channel and come back for another stream. Something else. We'll play something else next time. When episode 7 hits the store, I'll be playing it for sure. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Until next time, see ya!